What's up? I'm John Vaughn, the founder and CEO of Tier 5, the software company that actually created MeFn. And before you go, just give me a quick minute. You know, Tier 5 is over 70 employees strong, and we've been in business for over 5 years. It's not the first software that we've built. We've built literally, hundreds of SaaS applications in the last 5 years. And I'm telling you that just so that you know, whenever you buy software from us, it's supported. You have a support team that you can, get on a Zoom call with or chat with or send emails to that will help you with any issue that you have. We have a full development team. We have a design team. We have a quality assurance team so that anytime there's any issues, we're constantly adding new functionalities. And if Facebook changes anything or any bugs arises, we're very responsive and we really fix it fast. And I'm telling you that just so you know, we're not a fly-by-night company. We're not some random marketer out to make a quick buck. We're an established, stable, long-term company. So your investment is safe with us. It's safe to buy software with us and know that we're going to be along for the long term. Now, right now on this page, we're offering a very special deal for MeFn, where you're going to get lifetime updates. You're going to get all the new features that come out for a really, really low introductory price. Now, we have a whole list of features and functionalities coming out, and once these limited accounts that we're offering a discount sell out, the software is actually going to go to full price. However, if you buy at the price listed here, you're going to lock in that price. You'll never pay more. You'll never have to pay for any upgrades. And if you don't get one of the accounts that are actually listed below for the low pricing, then if you want to come back later and actually buy the software, here's the pricing that you're going to actually be charged. So I just wanted to actually be transparent and give you a heads up that these are very limited accounts that I'm selling for this discounted fee. And if you don't get one of these accounts on this discounted fee, these are the prices that you'll be paying in the future once we sell out. I'm making about 110 of these actually available for this discounted fee. There's 50 for the monthly, 50 for the yearly, and 10 for the lifetime payment is all I'm actually making available for this discounted fee. After those sell out, then these are the pricing models that it's going to go to, and this is what it's going to cost you. However, if you get one of these for this discounted fee, you're going to be locked in for life. You'll never actually have to pay anymore. You're going to get all future updates that come, and you won't have to pay anything extra for any updates. And there was something else. There's something else, but I can't remember. I can't remember what else there was. You're going to get love, help, and support. Like I said, you're going to get all future upgrades, and you can cancel at any time. If you find out, hey, this software isn't for you, or you decide you want to go be a monk in a monastery, you can cancel anytime. So if you want to go ahead and take advantage of this offer, go ahead and sign up now. If you want to wait, by the time you come back tomorrow, this could be completely sold out.